English class. Today we are going to discuss the next topic, comprehension. Comprehension means unseen passage. Unseen passage जैसे आप हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं अपठित गद्यांश, उसी को हम कहते हैं हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में कहते हैं अनसीन, यानी कि जिसको आपने पहले देखा ना हो, पढ़ा ना हो, ऐसा टॉपिक. So today we are going to discuss a part of story which is in the form of comprehension. Comprehension means the para followed by some question and you have to answer these questions from this para. Okay, let's see the text. The story is, though the whole story of mankind is dotted with the deeds of injustice and cruelty, the events of famines and plagues and the furies of wars, the good deeds of daring spirits are so numerous and overwhelming that they shine out distinctly from the pages of history. The first sentence, the writer tells that though the whole story of mankind is dotted with, means if we see the past days of history, we see all the pages of history are filled with the deeds of injustice. Deeds means works, कार्य, काम जिसको कहते हैं. Deeds of injustice and cruelty. इतिहास के पिछले पन्ने अगर हम देखें तो उसमें हमें क्रूरता और अन्याय की कहानियां दिखाई देंगी. Events of famines, famines means अकाल, and plagues, kind of disease, बीमारी है plague, and the furies of wars. Furies means anger, bad effects, aftermaths of wars, युद्ध के दुष्परिणाम भी दिखाई देंगे. अगर हम पिछला इतिहास देखें, the good deeds of daring spirits, और कुछ अच्छे काम भी दिखाई देंगे, अच्छी भावनाएं भी दिखाई देंगी. पुराने पन्ने पलटेंगे तो are so numerous, numerous means many, and overwhelming means filled with, that they shine out distinctly from the pages of history. Writer wants to say that if we see the past pages of history, we see that they are filled with good deeds and bad deeds, cruelty and injustice, as well as famine, plagues and furies of wars. कुछ अच्छाइयाँ भी दिखाई देंगी हमें और कुछ बुराइयाँ भी दिखाई देंगी अगर हम इतिहास के पन्नों को पिछले देखते हैं तो. आगे देखिए, द ग्रेट ड्रीमर्स, महान लोग, ग्रेट पीपल, डूअर्स, काम करने वाले, एंड द बिल्डर्स, बिल्डर्स मीन्स क्रिएटर्स, निर्माणकर्ता, हैव लेड द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम डार्कनेस टू लाइट. सम पीपल दे वांट टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम डार्कनेस टू लाइट. कुछ ऐसे भी लोग हुए जिन्होंने अंधेरे से उजाले की तरफ दुनिया को ले जाने में मदद की. डिस्ट्रक्शन टू कंस्ट्रक्शन, डिस्ट्रक्शन मीन्स विनाश, कंस्ट्रक्शन मीन्स निर्माण, विनाश से निर्माण की तरफ ले गए. The tales of their heroic deeds have come down from the generation to generation. We see lots of stories of heroic deeds of great people in the pages of history and inspired people to work for human progress. There were so many people who inspired people to give something good for the humanity, for the human progress. The lesson of history is that truth and love always win and tyrant and murderers are always defeated. So the conclusion is that the truth and always is always rewarded and tyrants and murderers are always punished or defeated. यानी कि अच्छाई को हमेशा पुरस्कृत किया जाता है और बुराई को हमेशा दंडित किया जाता है. ये कहने का अर्थ है. All great spiritualists have called upon the people to follow the path of love and peace. All great spiritualists, spiritualist means आध्यात्मिक लोग, जो अच्छे लोग हैं, महान लोग हैं, उन्होंने भी called upon is a kind of idiom which means to do something good. कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए उन्होंने भी कहा, स्पिरिचुअलिस्ट ने, to follow the path of love and peace. उन्होंने भी फोर्स किया, बल दिया कि प्रेम और शांति के रास्ते को अपनाया जाए, फॉलो किया जाए. The UN Charter also underline, UN means United Nations means संयुक्त राष्ट्र के चार्टर में भी इस बात पर बल दिया गया, अंडरलाइन किया गया, the need of human peace and human dignity. It was also advocated by the UN Charter that we should all follow the path of peace and love. Mahatma Gandhi also advocated the need of trust and affection, truth and non-violence. As you know, the Mahatma Gandhi, who was the lover of peace, who was the worshipper of non-violence and truth and affection, who also advocated, उन्होंने भी बढ़ावा दिया the path of non-violence for solution of human conflicts and dispute. He said that the only thing for human dispute, the only thing for human conflict is the non-violence and love, truth and affection. And now you see 4 questions. All these questions are based on this story. All the questions centers around the whole story. ये सारे questions के आंसर आपको इसी से मिलेंगे. पहला है how the whole history of mankind is dotted. Dotted means filled. How the whole history means संपूर्ण history, पूरा इतिहास मानवता का किससे भरा हुआ है. You can see the answer in the first line of the paragraph. The whole story of mankind is dotted with the deeds of injustice and cruelty, the events of famines and plagues, and the furies of wars. This was the answer of the first question. And now the second question. What is the lesson of history of mankind? You can see the answer in the second or third line. See the answer. The lesson of history is that truth and love always win and tyrant and murderers are always defeated. So it was the answer of second question. इतिहास हमें बताता है कि सच्चाई और प्रेम हमेशा जीतता है और हत्यारे और अत्याचारी हैं वो हमेशा हारते हैं या दंडित होते हैं. Now the third question. Give a suitable title to the passage. What should be the title of the passage? Title should be always based on the whole story. The title should be very effective and short, and it should be based on the whole story, which should be centers around the story. पूरे कहानी के इर्द गिर्द जो घूमता हो वही शीर्षक होना चाहिए, छोटा हो और प्रभावशाली हो. So what should be the title of the passage? Title of the passage should be the history of mankind. And the last question, write the meaning of underline words. जो underline words है उसके meaning. First word is construction. Construction means formation, बनाना, किसी चीज का निर्माण करना, create करना, creation, formation. Both are meaning. And the second word is heroic deeds. Heroic deeds means the deeds full of bravery, बहादुरी के कार्य. So it was your comprehension passage. I hope all of you are able to understand my language.